Look at this. Glass elevators at the Wells Street parking structure. Let's go. Oh, and they're Otis. Oh, that was the elevator. Oh, it must be low on oil. Oh, whoa. Seven-floor hydraulic elevator. I just saw some Otis touches next door, but sadly they were private, but the guy at the front desk at least let me take some pictures of them. There's a view of, you can kind of see where downtown Milwaukee starts. Look at that panel. Obviously, we all know what a Series 1 indicator looks like. This one has holes drilled into it, or not holes, those are just marks. Picking someone up on floor 2.